Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm testing all the cameras of the new iPhone 16 Pro, the front one and the three rear cameras. So let's dive into the video. So today I'm recording with all the four cameras. The intro to this video I've shot on the front-facing camera, and I have to admit that's a massive improvement to what it was a couple of years ago. Obviously the lenses, they all do improve, and the software behind the cameras improve as well, but it's a major improvement. Now I'm back to the front-facing camera, but in a cinematic mode, and as you can see, all the background behind me is blurred. It's just like recording the video with a VND on a really bright day with a lens, with a really fast lens, f1.8 or f2.8. So everything behind me is blurred, which is a really nice cinematic effect. Now I'm in the cinematic mode, but the rear-facing camera. The previous one was the front-facing camera. So let me know in the comment section, do you see any difference? Do you see a quality difference or the blur difference in the cinematic mode between the front-facing and the rear-facing camera? I'm really curious about it. I haven't seen anything yet, so I have no comparison. Obviously, once I'll do the video, I will see the difference between the two shots. Let me know in the comment section if you see any difference. Let me know in the comment sections what do you think about the stabilization of the new cameras, because even in iPhone 11 the stabilization was pretty decent, but now it's even better. So let me know in the comment sections what do you think about the stabilization on both front and rear cameras. I hope you enjoyed the video. A couple of video shots using each camera, a couple of photos using each camera. I think they really look good, and I think the improvement over the previous years is massive. Obviously, if you have an iPhone 14 or iPhone 15, the difference will be really incremental, so there's no point of upgrading your phone. However, if you have an older iPhones, I think it's worth doing. As we are not far from Edinburgh Airport, you can hear the plane approaching just now. Nonetheless, let me know in the comment section did you like the video. I'm planning to do a video comparison test between iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro, so let me know in the comment sections if you have any questions or any tests you would like me to do before I do the video. Right, if you liked the video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and if you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. In this short video, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!